Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Medea and this is part of my free yacht stewardess course. When I started, I couldn't afford the pricey training, so I built this course myself and now I'm sharing it with you for free. If you want today's notes and the printable checklist, the link to my Telegram is in the description. Today you'll learn Gangway Watch, arrival and departure, a complete repeatable system for running the passerelle safety discreetly and gas first. Start with what perfect looks like. Safety first. No slips, trips, or falls. Controlled boarding with 3 points of contact. Security, only authorized people board and the visitor log is clean. Flow, guests guided smoothly, bags tagged and rotated, zero obstacles on the passerelle. And presentation, carpet straight, shoe station ready, towels, drinks, stage of the pass, no clutter. Comms, short, clear radio calls with closed loop to deck bridge interior. Compliance, respect local port rules, customs, immigration, and yacht SOP. Hold the golden rules every minute. Never leave the gangway unattended. Call relief if you must step away. Nothing sits on the passerelle, no bags, no trees, no waiting people. Guests before goods, people have right of way, provisions, wait, privacy always. No guest names on open radio and never confirm identities to dock staff. Know who does what. Deck lead manages angle locks, handrails, tight height adjustments, and the stop go for boarding. You, the interior gangway watch, handle greeting, ID, authorization, shoe and towel station, luggage, tagging, routing, privacy, crowd controls, radios, and the visitor log. The bridge or OOW hold POB event and permissions, and the agent for security manage permits, vehicles, and waste provisions schedule. Set up before anyone steps on. Safety and access. No slip mats and handrails up. Ask deck to adjust if the angle looks too steep. Know where the life ring throw line is. Stage umbrellas and wing clamps if fitted. Presentation. Align the entry carpet square to the hull. Place the shoe backset sign. Shoes here. Welcome aboard. Keep signatures discreet. Crew only. Please wait to be greeted. No smoking aboard. Prep hot cold towels in an insulated box and stage welcome waters of the pastoral pass. Have a lint roller, glass cloths, hidden linen bin, and tissues. Admins and hygiene, visitor log, clipboard, tablet and pens, NDAs if used named stickers, hand gel and discreet wipes, luggage tags with color stickers and small cable ties. And on the radio, confirm channel, earpiece in, your call sign is passerelle or foyer per boat. Run the arrival flow like clockwork. 10-15 minutes out. Deck, chips due, passerelle ready to receive, over. Confirm POB baseline with bridge and that there's no fueling or restrictions. Touch and secure. Deck confirms safe boarding. Take position off to one side, facing the dock. Greet and try it with a warm line. Welcome aboard, Miss Lee. May I offer a cool tower? Still or sparkling water? Shoes go to the basket and offer shoe bags if they prefer to keep them. Tag luggage at the dock, not on the passerelle. Guest name plus cabin plus deck color sticker, then interior passerelle, 2 cases for cabin 2 inbound, over. And a runner roads bags via crew pass. Escort to foyer for chiefs to hand off. Offer a steadying forearm to elderly children and never carry both bag and guest. Privacy at the rail. If public asks, who's aboard? Reply, I'm afraid we don't share guest information. Have a great day. If customs immigration isn't cleared yet, we'll complete arrival formalities, then welcome you aboard. May I offer shade and water just there? Run the departure flow just as tightly, 15-30 minutes prior. Check D&Ds and transfer time, coordinate with DAC for tender core timings. Stage towels, water, and umbrellas or light layers. Hand over. Escort gas to the top. Confirm deck is ready. Cue 3 points of contact if there's motion. Luggage stages on dock, boat, edge, not on the passerelle. Hand to the deck porter and confirm the count. Radio passerelle VIP party of 4 ashore. POB decreasing to 8 over. Close the loop when the last guest steps off. Passerelle party ashore out. Update the POB aboard if your boat uses one. Control security and authorization without drama. Who may board? Listed guests, crew, booked contractors with ID, officials, and the agent. Quiet check. Good afternoon. Whom are you here to see? May I see your ID, crew pass? Log contractors, name, company, time in out, escorted by badge, PPP, if used, and keep them escorted at all times. Deliveries and provisions. Verify supplier, count boxes of the dock, and check TAMS seals with galley, deck for perishables. If you must refuse boarding, I'm sorry, I don't have authorization for boarding. If you wait just here, I'll contact our agent, captain. Then radio the chief or agent. Adapt for special conditions. During fueling, bunkering, no gas boarding, no ignition sources, signage up, follow the captain's order. Customs immigrations, queue flag up, boarding often limited to officials. Guest weight per local law. If security level rises, tighten ID checks and locks. With weather tight, ask deck to adjust angle handrails, lay extra not slip and avoid open drinks and swell. At night, step lights on without glare to torch in pocket, reflective edges visible. Slow your speech and guide feet. Handle children, mobility, and VIPs the right way. With children, ask the parent before taking a hand. One adult with one child per crossing, no running. For mobility needs, offer your forearm if wheelchair or ramp is used. Deck leads while interior clears the roads and carries loose items. For VIPs or press presence, privacy is priority. No names allowed, no photos, and escort promptly to interior. Be precise with luggage and provisioning. Count bags in and out using pairs language. 2 silver removers, cabin 3. Keep wet items off carpet with towels under staging. Flag fragile valuables in tag notes and hand carry small luxury shopping bags. For provisions, date, label check. Share allergen notes to interior and galley. And route everything via crew entrances only. Keep radio etiquette at the rail, clean and discreet. Low volume, earpiece in, half turn away from guests. Use the format deck, chief, bridge, passerelle, message, over. Examples. Deck, passerelle, guests ready to board, confirm safe. Over. Interior passerelle, 2 cases for cabin, 1 inbound, over. Bridge passerelle, party of 4 ashore, POB now 8, over. Know your emergency first moves. Slip or fall, medical, passerelle, stop boarding, stabilize the scene, life ring if overboard, protect privacy with towels and screens, men overboard dockside, MOB starboard side, midships passerelle, Throw line ring, keep pointing and don't lose visual, follow master list. Unwanted visitor harassment, step back, call security level via chief bridge, do not physically engage. Fire or fuel spill nearby, call bridge, hot boarding, move gas away, remove ignition items after any accident, log time, what happened, actions, who notified, and witness names. Maintain the cleanliness and presentation loop. Every 10-15 minutes, straighten carpet, align the shoe basket, lint roll, wipe handrail fingerprints, refresh towels and waters, keep the bin under 3/4 full, and change quietly. Maintain a clear 90 centimeters walkway and never stage items on the passerelle. Fix common mistakes on the spot. If you must leave the post, Chiefs 2 passerelle request 2-minute cover over. Bags on the passerelle, move them to dock, staging, and tag there. If the angle is steep or wobbly, ask deck to adjust before gas board. If dock chat drifts, reset. Privacy first. If sea state picks up, swap open drinks for capped, store cups off to the side. You can use the checklists to standardize. Open, arrival, 5-8 minutes. No-slip handrail sets and ankle checked. Carpet shoe station placed with discreet signage. Towels ready and welcome water off the path. Visitor log and ID kit ready. Luggage tag set. Radio check. POB baseline confirmed. Fueling custom status known. While on watch, never unattended. Clear path. Guest first. Tag road luggage and radio runners, protect privacy, wipe rails and carpets, refresh towels or water, manage waste, log visitors and escort contractors. Departure and close, confirm tender vehicle timing with deck or agent, escort gas, update POB, count luggage out, remove carpet shoe station, stow towels, bin out, debrief and log any maintenance, security notes, or compliments. Keep these micro scripts ready. Welcome script. Welcome aboard towel, still or sparkling? Shoes. Shoes can go just here. We'll keep them spotless for you. Authorization. Good afternoon. May I see your ID and who you are meeting on board? Refusal. I'm sorry, I don't have authorization to board you. I will call our agent now. Privacy. We don't share guest information, but I'm happy to help with anything else. Safety cue. Swell. It's moving a little. Take the handrail. I'm right here. Practice with 10-15 minute drills. Build the arrival station in 2 minutes. Run POB comms for 3 parties on off without using names. Tag 6 mixed bags to correct cabins and dispatch runners in 3 minutes. Assist an elderly guest on a steep ramp with correct body positioning and script. Handle an unID'd contractor, refuse politely, and escalate on radio. And now it's time to lock it in with a micro quiz. Name 3 things that must never be on the passerelle. What's your radio call when 4 guests go ashore? Where do you tag luggage and what goes on the tag? During fueling, what's the boarding rule? Give 1 polite refusal line for an unauthorized visitor. A great gangway watch is calm control, safe access, strict authorization, clean comms, and gracious welcomes. Keep the path clear, the privacy tight, and the radio crisp, and every arrival and departure will feel effortless. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, share it with someone who wants to work on yachts, and grab today's Gangway watch checklist in my Telegram. The link is in the description. See you on the next lesson. Bye!